This was my approach to making a frame for 6 8 by 10 inch pictures. I started in the unheated portion of my shop using a miter saw, a table saw, and a shaper. From a 9-inch wide, 3/4 inch thick, 33-inch long white oak board, I used the table saw to cut 3 pieces, each 1 3/4 inches wide, and 2 pieces 1 inch wide. The table saw was set up for 1 3/4 inches for the pieces that would become the outer frame. The miter saw was used to cut the pieces to the desired lengths, 45-degree angles on each end of the pieces destined to be the outer frame, and 90-degree cuts for the inner cross pieces. Using the shaper, I cut a groove along one edge of the outer frame pieces and along both sides of the cross pieces. After sanding each part, I took them into the heated portion of my shop for the remaining steps. Using an old caulk, I applied polyurethane to all aspects of the yet-to-be assembled wooden pieces and let them dry. Then it was time to join together the pieces using a corner clamp. Before final connection, wood glue was applied. And excess glue was wiped off on both sides. Pilot holes for the screws were next drilled, and trim screws were inserted using a variable speed drill with an appropriate square bit. After inserting all the screws, the pieces had taken their final form. It was then time for the panes to be cut and put into place. I again used the table saw, this time to custom cut the panes made from sheets of 1/8 inch thick clear acrylic. After the first pane fit perfectly, the others were cut and temporarily put into place. Temporarily in place because the protective paper had to be peeled from both sides of each pane. Next, the chosen 8 by 10 prints were arranged in the now nearly completed 6-capacity frame. Finally, 1/8 inch plywood was cut on the table saw into pieces the same size as the acrylic panes and put in place over each picture and held in place by small nails. Stainless steel eyes and wire were added, and the 6-photo frame was hung.